I see this happening so much for people as they want to chase perfection, and they want everything to be in place and perfect and set up and ready to go before they pull the trigger. Here's the thing though, perfection doesn't exist. Perfection in anything does not exist. It's never achievable, never. It's always something that's there and has to be chased. You know, even the people who are at the top of their game, sports for instance, the Jordans, the Bryants, the Tiger Woods, these guys who are at the absolute top of their game are still chasing better. They know that they're not perfect in a lot of different things. We think they're perfect, but they don't. Perfection is never anything that can be achieved. So what happens in life anyway, and in a lot of other areas like business especially, is that people, they don't want to get going until everything's perfect. So guess what happens? They never get started. It never happens. They never get going. So the best thing to do, and what I end up telling people that I work with, and I end up, talking around because I'm good at doing that, I say, look, let's just, we get it as good as we can, all right? And then we go. And then guess what happens? Yes, there's going to be things that don't work. Yes, there's going to be things that aren't perfect, that are broken. But for the most part, you're never going to find those out until you get going. Because until you get going and it's working, you don't actually know what's not working. And it's the same in life. Stop looking for everything to be perfect until you do that thing, until you go out and start that thing, achieve that thing, and just take the first step. It's so important that you just get started, and then along the way, what you do is you adjust. If something doesn't work, you adjust it, you fix it, and then you move on. You make tweaks here and tweaks there, and then you move on. But the most important thing is you take the first step and get started. Perfection does not exist in business, in life, in relationships, in anything. Perfection is something that is always there, but can never be achieved.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Listen, if you want more motivational fire coming to you every single week, then subscribe to my channel right here. If you don't know why you should subscribe yet and you need a little bit more convincing, watch my next video right here. Thanks for watching.